My name is Pankaj. I'm from Australia. We previously bought a machine from Blue Elephant where we had a CNC router bed. That was the first machine we bought. The support we got from Blue Elephant was very good. And once we received the machine, it was all on a flat pack. We got a proper installation guide from Blue Elephant with the videos how to install put the router bed together. So we did all that from the videos and it was very self-explanatory. And then we started the machine. We had a bit of an issues turning it on or getting the machine going. So again they created a WhatsApp group with their engineers. They explained how to start the machine, troubleshoot the machine from start to the end, and finally we got the machine going. And since today I'm very happy with the quality, the performance, and at the time when I bought a small machine. Now I have regrets about it because I think I should have bought a bigger one because the output is very good. And then after a few years back, after 2 years, Emily, the previous sales representative, sent me another video just out of their new laser cutting machine and welding machine and the cleaning machine, which was the main idea we wanted, like for our cleaning production. And I was very happy, and I didn't even see the machine myself in person. So everything was done through WhatsApp videos and chat and emails. And we then ended up buying a 6 kilowatt or 2 kilowatt machine, cleaning machine, welding machine and cutting machine, and we are very happy. Okay, it's a bit new to us, but again with the support we've managed to get the machine going and we're working very efficiently as we speak. So now we visited China, we are growing our business, and we are now planning to buy the fiber laser machine, which would be about 2 meters by 4 meter with the tube laser incorporated, followed by the bending machine. So these are the two machines that we are looking for our next project for our factory. So once again I strongly recommend that you should go and buy your machines, CNC routing machines from Blue Elephant, because number one, the quality is good, service is the most number one priority that we get from them, and you know what, the ladies are always smiling and they're always with you prompt. So yeah, I can't tell you more. It's number one machines from Blue Elephant. Thank you.